So student, today we are going to start our new chapter, and which is chapter 15, visualizing solid shapes. Student, chapter is chapter 15, visualizing solid shapes. This chapter is based on shapes, solid shapes. Students, today we will learn about introduction of plane figures and solid shapes. Introduction means how we can understand and what about and all the things about will be solid shapes. Clear? Shapes means particular shapes, four particular shapes like that. If we are taking rectangle, if we are taking triangle, if also so many more solid shapes are there, we can take anyone like cuboid, cube. So in this shape we will know about faces, edges and vertices. Means what is the face of solid shape, what is the face of solid shape, what is the edges, what is the edges of solid shape and what is vertices. Clear? In this chapter we will learn about how we can count, and this one which type of solid shape. It's a rectangle, it's a triangle, it's a cuboid, it's a cube, like that. Clear? So basically in this chapter is based on solid shapes like cuboid and cube. Cuboid and cube and their faces, edges and vertices. Student, in previous class we have learned about what is faces, what is edges and their vertices. Also, so in this class, in this chapter, faces, edges and vertices. So page number 277, visualizing solid shape. So introduction part you can open in your book. In this chapter you will classify figures you have seen in terms of what is known as dimension. Dimension means in our day-to-day life we see several objects like book, balls, ice cream cones, etc. They all have same length, breadth and height or depth. That is, they all occupy space and have 3 dimensions. Means all the things have occupied space. Space means all the things means 3 dimensions, na? X, Y and Z. 3 dimensions means anything. If you are taking, if you are you can see also in your surrounding, all the things have occupies space. Space. Then dimension is also including in this chapter. Means about solid shapes. It will be on dimension also. So first try these questions is also here. Try these questions are also here. So first is cuboid. And so many examples, na? Cylinder, cube, cuboid, cone, pyramid. But in this question is match the shape with the name. Clear? Match the shape with the name. So match the shape means all these shapes are here, or you have to match with their right name. First shape is what is? This one is cube, cuboid, cylinder, rectangle, triangle, what? Yes, very good. It's a cylinder. It's cylinder. Means you have to match with the name. Option B, cylinder. So many examples are here, and first, then second one is like that. This one what? Yes, what? Rectangle, triangle, square, circle, sphere, what? Yes, this one is sphere. what? Sphere. ठीक है. Next is okay, many examples, and this one cone. Yes, this one cone. Birthday cap, you know about the birthday cap is the best example of cone. ठीक है, cone. So many shapes are here and question is match the shape with their name. Okay, so this task for you student, you have to complete it. Okay, next turn on your page, then try to identify some object shapes like each of these. ठीक है. Also in this page number also pictures are given. Now you can see. ठीक है. So first one is what? Rectangle or circle? Sorry, rectangle or square? Square? Very good. Not, no? Rectangle. It's a rectangle. Because what is property? Okay. Property. What is property of rectangle? Yes. Two opposite sides are equal. Okay. And also four sides and four corner. ठीक है. So this one is rectangle. This one is rectangle. This one is circle, triangle, square. Okay. So all the things are there and this one is quadrilateral. ठीक है. So next we will learn about faces, edges and vertices. Faces, edges and vertices. ठीक है. So firstly we can make, do you remember now cube and cuboid? Two thing is that na, cube and cuboid. So now I am making one. This one is cube or cuboid? Yes, this one is cube na? ठीक है. How many corners? Corners means 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है. You have to count it ना? ठीक है. Faces, edges and vertices. ठीक है. तो सबसे पहले what is vertices? Vertices means vertices. ठीक है. vertices means corner, कोने. ठीक है. Clear? Vertices means corners. So corners means how? Corners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है. और 2, 7, 8. How many? Yes, 8 ना. ठीक है. How many? Of 8. ठीक है. मैंने थोड़ा सा इसको अच्छे से ड्रॉ नहीं किया है. ठीक. ये कितने होंगे? 8. ओके. तो इस तरीके से क्यूब में how many faces? Sorry, how many corners? 8 corners of the cube. Okay. Next, cube. Sorry, corners or vertices both are same. Clear? Then do you remember the faces? ठीक है. Faces means side. ठीक है. Faces means ये, this one is face. ठीक है. So this task for you, you have to make any cube and find the face, vertices and edges. ठीक है. Edges. And edges means edges how? This one is edges. ठीक है. तो ठीक है. Third thing is that edges, vertices and faces. ठीक है. Means once again, if you are making a triangle, ठीक है, then vertices 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. Then faces. How many faces? How many? You have to count it. Okay? Faces. And edges. How many? 1, the edges. Okay, so this task for you, exercise 15.2 point faces, edges and vertices. So you have to make the cube and find their edges, vertices and faces. Okay, thank you.